TIG welding is one of the key welding techniques you'll need to learn if you're interested in motorsport fabrication. With the right TIG machine and the correct knowledge, you can weld all the popular materials you'll come across in the motorsport industry, such as chromoly, aluminium, titanium, and stainless steel. The TIG process produces high-quality welds that are strong and look great. Traditionally, it's been difficult for enthusiasts to learn the skills of TIG welding. If you're struggling to perfect your own welds, or you're just starting out and considering the purchase of a TIG machine, the Practical TIG Welding course is going to be perfect for you. With the advances in TIG machines, there's never been a better time to consider purchasing a new machine, and our Tig Buyers guide will help you to understand the various features of a TIG welder and make sure you're purchasing the best machine for your requirements. You'll learn about how the TIG welder operates and how the various settings affect your finished weld. You'll learn about the shielding gas we use and how to decide on the correct gas flow for a specific task. You'll also learn about gas lenses, purging, and how important these aspects are when welding more reactive materials like titanium and stainless steel. Producing high quality, good looking welds starts well before you ever pick up the TIG torch. And in this course, you'll learn how to fit up, prepare, and clean your workpiece prior to welding. You'll then learn how to set up your machine, how to prepare your tungsten, and how to tack your parts together prior to completing your weld. Being comfortable is critical to producing a quality TIG weld, and you'll learn how to set up your workspace and how to support your workpiece, as well as the personal protective equipment that's vital to keep you safe while welding. TIG welding requires the right techniques in order to produce a quality weld, and you'll learn how to hold and position the torch, how to control the heat in the workpiece, and how to introduce the filler rod in order to produce that stacked dime look. You'll also learn some techniques for destructive testing your welds so that you can have confidence that you're getting the correct amount of penetration to provide a strong and reliable weld. Once you've learned both the theory and practical skills taught in this course, you'll learn a simple 6-step process that you can apply to your TIG welding tasks, regardless what material you're welding. This makes it easy to ensure you get the right results every single time. This 6-step Ets Fab welding process is also demonstrated in our library of worked examples, where you can watch it being applied from start to finish on a real fabrication job. In this library, we'll vary the materials being welded, as well as the parts being fabricated, to give you an experience on a wide range of different materials and TIG machines. This library of worked examples is also going to see more models added over time, so it will grow with you. Once you've purchased this course, it's yours for life, and you can re-watch it as many times as you like. This is important because there's a lot of information packed into this course, and you may not understand every concept the first time you watch a module. You can easily go back and re-watch individual modules until you've got a full comprehension. You can also use the material-specific modules of the course while you're completing your own fabrication jobs to ensure you're doing everything just right. You'll receive a certificate of completion at the end of the course, which is the perfect addition to your CV. This is ideal if you're looking for a career in the fabrication industry, or you can just hang it on the wall in your garage or shed to show off your new knowledge to your buddies. We know when it comes to purchasing online education, it can be tricky and it's hard to be 100% sure a course is right for you. We understand this and want you to be able to buy with complete confidence, which is why we offer a no questions asked 60-day money-back guarantee. If you find for any reason the course isn't right for you, simply let us know and you'll get a full refund of the purchase price. When you start your own TIG welding projects, it's natural that you're going to still have questions that will come up, and we're committed to your fabrication success. This is where the Ets Fab Support Community comes in. Every course purchase gives you 3 months of gold membership, which gives you access to our private online forum. This includes our members-only fabrication forum, which is the perfect place to get fast and reliable answers to your TIG welding questions. You'll also get access to our weekly live webinar sessions, where we focus on key aspects of fabrication. And if you can't watch live, then you can re-watch these webinars in our archive. So what's the next step? To get instant access to this course, as well as the Ets Fab online support community, click the Purchase Now button.